Oh, and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today, one of my not so favorite guns. Sometimes people see something they like. It's not necessarily something I like, so I made this for a guy who was on a low budget once, and now another guy. Yeah, he wanted it exactly as seen. So yeah, there it is. It's a steampunky design, tank in the rear, and some lights and like basic colors. Nothing special actually. Way too simple for me. I mean, even like my other simple designs are cooler than this. Let me know in the comments how you guys like it. I really don't like it at all. But the first guy, he had an imagination and told me what he likes, and I yeah, put this together, and he said I nailed it. And the current customer, he was agreeing. He's like totally into this. So I usually don't copy my steampunk stuff, but I made an exception for him because he was really in love with it. And I told him he can have anything he wants, and yeah, he wanted this one. So yeah, there it is. Let's try out the laser. My all-time favorite Nerf dart. That one was he was damaged and done for. So oh yeah, that burns pretty well. Melting right away. It's funny how the tip still lights up, although I'm not even. Well, I mean, you can see that. Well, yeah. Now let's burn the wood. It's kind of weird to burn the wood that it's made of, like biting your own butt. Anyways, you can see smoke rising. Don't burn. Plastic. Even the light would. I said don't burn. God. Ooh, that actually smells nice. Smoked ham. So the laser works fine. Yay. I don't want to show too much. It's not an unboxing, it's just a demonstration. So I wanted to check out all the tiny details all by himself when he's unboxing it. So that's it for today. Up next, someone told me to make an Uzi, like the SMG, in a cyberpunk laser version, and I'm doing that right now, and it's going pretty well so far. I shouldn't say that. I don't want to jinx it, but that's probably the next video. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you guys next time.